Hey guys, Stef here. So just very quickly, I registered a new domain name like a day or two ago, need2nerd.com, and I might build it up depending on whether or not the Need to Nerd podcast goes anywhere. That said, I haven't registered a domain in a while, and boy, I never used private registration. You have to pay extra for that, where they hide your name and your contact details. I think I should have. Because I've gotten like 4 or 5 calls from web design and SEO companies just in the last 24 hours, well, just today actually, looking to sell me services because I appeared in the registry. They say, new domain registered, so let's call him up, see if he wants a website. And I can't blame the guys. It's a good business tactic, to be totally honest with you, but it's pretty annoying. I keep on getting calls, and I think they're calling me from India, which is fine, but they don't use, it's not like it's an international number. They seem to be rerouting from sort of some US number. Anyway, if you don't want any calls from telemarketers trying to sell you SEO or web design services, and you're thinking about registering a domain, my tip to you is to use private registration, because you might get a lot of calls. Which could be annoying. Anyway, that's it for now. Bye-bye.